Good afternoon. It looks really dark. It's really drizzly and icky outside, so I'm like, ugh, okay. Starbucks cup of the day. So I was late to my lunch. I don't have the longest time to get stuff done for the day part of this Vlogmas day, but we'll have, of course, advent calendars later. Since I don't have a lot of time, I'm not going to try the fragrance. I'll leave that for tomorrow. And then I have something I'm going to open up real quick. I got a friend mail, got package. I'm totally surprised. I was expecting a holiday card and I got a package. So I've got that. So I'm going to go grab that box really quick, and then we'll get the tray swapped out. I still have enough time to do that. Get the tray swapped out for the week. And then tomorrow we'll get the new fragrance on the tray. But yesterday we tried out Mentor from Mind Games. Really liked that. Still have the swatch over here. So we'll see what we're going to have for the tray. So let me go grab that box and I will be right back. So I went to my P.O. box and I didn't get this alert that I had a package. I just saw a key in my mail slot. But I have a box. All I've done is gone in and looked for the card. So, got the card out. This came from, there's the card from Brittany. And I just have to share this really quick. I'll just show you this part because I don't want to, I don't know. I didn't get permission to read all of it, but look at her beautiful handwriting. I'm going to apologize in advance. My handwriting is horrible. So everybody who gets the card from me, I'm going to write that part. It's like, please excuse my horrible handwriting. I spend so much time, just typing now that I just scribble, and I can read my own handwriting, but other people can't so much. So yeah, so I apologize, but this was an incredibly nice surprise to see. Look at the little tissue. It's got paws on it. That's so cute. So let's see. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. There's so much stuff in here. That's so nice of you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is oh my gosh. You guys don't have to do this. Oh, that's so kind of you. I got little notes and stuff on things. So I've got, this one says, this has a sticker. And then I've got a bunch of individual little items, and then this one, I've got everything out. Very sweet, but they're very good. Oh, she mentioned Buc-ee's, and I have not been to a Buc-ee's. I want to. I've seen some videos on them. I'm fascinated by them. One of these days I'd love to go and do a road trip. So when I lived in Texas years ago during my first marriage, there was no Buc-ee's there at the time. I was an assistant manager at an Allsup's, if you know that convenience store chain. I don't know if they still exist or not, but that's what I did when I was young. So yeah, I know that region. I think they had a Love's truck stop, which was nowhere near the I think level of existential greatness that a Buc-ee's is. But this is the cutest little baggie. Oh my gosh. Oh, so this is the stuff for Stefan. So she mentioned that rice tea and chrysanthemum. She mentioned that there was some tea coming for Stefan to try out, and he will be told about this and given to try. So he is very much the tea connoisseur. Thank you. So cute. Okay. The tag has a sticker. Let's see. So cute wrapped. Let's see what we have. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. That's so cute. Oh, okay, I see what you're talking about. So there's a little Buc-ee sticker right there. That's so cute. I love it. He's fun. I'm gonna put him up here on my little. I think I've showed you guys before my current mood set up with the Christmassy stuff is up on my background for when I'm in my Teams interviews and Teams meetings and things. So it's fun times. All right, let's see what this is. I'm fascinated with the amount of culinary delights that your Buc-ee's have. Like all the little, like, almost mini restaurants within. That just fascinates me. It's like you could just vacation there practically. Buc-ee bar. Milk chocolate and crispy rice. That looks delicious. And not on that probably during my break. Thank you. And then, yeah, this is soft. I don't want to rip the paper. It's so cute, but I kind of have to. Let me get in here. Oh, they're napkins. Oh, these are cute. Thank you. Oh, they're so pretty. That is the most pretty design. I love that. The farmhouse. That's so pretty. I love the edging. That is so cool. Love it. Oh my gosh. All right, so this one says, very sweet, but they are famous for beets. Oh, don't do it. stuck to the bag. Oh, beaver nuggets. Okay, I have seen. So these are brown sugar coated. Like puppies? Well, challenge accepted. I'm just going to say. Take a quick little bite of that. I'll probably eat this whole bag sitting here. Oh, hi. Yeah, you can't have it, Mama. I'm sorry. Pickles. Just kind of, this is what? That is so good. No wonder. Okay, let's open has to taste those too. And he gets home tonight. Oh, I have to save some. Thank you so much. How fun. I love it. I really appreciate that. So thank you, Brittany. Again, you didn't have to. Oh, it's so cool. That is so awesome. I have to come down to your neck of the woods down there. It seems like it's a different part of Texas than I must have been. I was in the Panhandle. It was not nearly as interesting. Out in Hereford, Texas, and occasionally my Texas comes out. Very briefly married and lived in that area. So thank you again. I really appreciate it. I'll get you a card out, maybe a little something else too. And yeah, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you. Okay, let's get the tray taken care of. I've got like 15 more minutes and we will get this done. All right. Happy Tuesday. So dreary. I had to turn on my overhead light and it's not even that great of lighting. I've spun this around so I don't have the same fail. You know what it is. I'm not going to blur that today. It was a decent week. I'd say the left side of the tray, and even that explicit one, is not bad. I can't say the same about side effect. I wasn't as impressed by it as I thought I would be. I don't know why. Just something about it was not smelling good to my nose this week. Might just be the day. Might just be the time of the year. Who knows? But I will give it another shot another day in the future, maybe in the spring or summer. But right now, can't say great things. So I'm going to grab some other items and get a new tray set up for the week. And we're back. This should be relatively quick. I don't know why I'm in a mood to just wear candy And this is basically what I could come up with. So we're gonna wear Mickey Mouse, very sweet fragrance, yum bougie marshmallow, same. This one's a little bit more subdued, vanilla and sensei. So it's a rich, spicy vanilla. I shouldn't say spicy, powdery vanilla, I should say. So not a whole lot of spice, but it's definitely not just throwing vanilla extract on your body, which this one kind of is. I mean, it's not exactly, but it feels closer to it. So vanilla candied rock sugar is definitely sweeter than vanilla insensé. And then lastly, vanilla skin, a little bit more like vanilla insensé. So I should do this. Sweet end of the tray, sweet notes, but not as sweet. And that is the tray of the week. Hey, Steph.
Yes, dear.
What time is it?
1/2 Advent calendar.
Very good. And the kids are all here. Stefan's in his slippers. We're good to go.
Yeah. I'm going to wait to get comfortable this time.
Yeah,
Just got back from walking booze, so.
Let's do this.
All right. Start with the Holo Taco. So let's see. It's number 4? It's number 4, yeah?
12 plus 4.
1, 2, 3.
16. Yeah. We're doing the math. We're getting there.
Do the math. We're off the graph. Okay, this one's kind of red. It's very sparkly. It's Call Me Vixen is the name of it.
Oh, that's nice because it's going to replace. I did throw away nail polish today because a color looks just like that. Got really thick and
unusable.
Yeah, unusable.
Isn't there thinners?
I tried. I kept putting thinner more and more, and it just was congealed.
So I'm not suggesting anything you haven't thought of then.
So it was my own fault.
All right.
I left the lid off of it.
On to the
It's
tea.
tea time.
Oh yeah. What was this? Oh yeah, Forever Nuts. That tea, well, not a tea. It's a fruit infusion. Basically, it contains herbs and fruits and no actual tea. But that smelled and tasted for all the world like warm apple pie. I had you taste it. You agreed.
Yeah.
It was like pie. This is an apple pie tea. Not really tasting any nuts in there.
Wasn't thrilled.
So, onto this one. Okay, 16.
It's a big tray for a little tiny.
Yeah, they're all going to be the same size. They just put. I remember the last one that I got several years ago when we were in Carlton was packets.
They should have put like a teaspoon in there or something like that.
Something like that, yeah. Or maybe a strainer or something.
Oh.
So this is. Oh, it's something chocolatey.
I think it's mint.
Okay, it says it is. Read My Lips is what it says. It's a black tea, or a thé noir, if you'll pardon my French. The lid's cross-threaded.
Speaking of international tea.
Oh yes, yeah. You mentioned that one of your friends has sent me some Korean tea.
Yes,
I'm interested. I'll be interested to try that. I've had some Korean green tea once that I picked up, I think, at the Stash store in Portland. It was called Jejung Korean green tea. It was okay. Not quite as good as Japanese green tea, but I did like it. What is Read My Lips? Where's Read My Lips?
So thank you. He'll get to that as soon as he can.
Read My Lips is, okay, black tea, chocolate drops, sugar sprinkles, something, peppermint. There's peppermint in there, so yeah, you were right about that.
I thought so. I smell mint.
Okay, so yeah. I think I had something similar to that before. All right, on to your candy. Number 16 here is it's rectangular, it's dark. I don't know if you can see it that well in this light.
It's like probably a nut chew of some kind.
All right.
Lovely.
We'll see. Or you'll see. It's not mine. Okay.
Number 4.
4 is square, so I guess it's another candle.
Yes.
I guess they're going to alternate. Nope, 5 is also square, so I was thinking they were alternating fragrances and candles, but seriously. Okay, this is H5 Tobacco Tonka Bean.
Oh, let me smell that.
I like it. I would wear that as
yeah, that smells like tobacco vanilla from Tom Ford.
I would wear that as a fragrance.
Yeah, I have that in a different vendor. Lovely.
Nice. All right.
All right, Sheldon, it's your turn.
To the dogs. I can tell by the size of the door. It's a green Christmas tree.
It's a cookie. You ready for
What do you
your
think, Poppy?
cookies?
Poppy pup.
Want to try a tree?
There we go. Want a cookie?
There you
Cookie.
go. Nice biscuit for you. Good girl. For Miss Pickle. She's like, wait, what?
It's kind of big for you, sweetie. There. There you go. Want a cookie? Cookie? Oh,
What is
was
this?
that Poppy's?
Yeah, why are you
She
stealing?
abandons her.
Okay, they're in this steal each other's cookie mood.
All right.
"9 days until the big day. Although we'll be done on the 24th, technically.
Yeah, well, isn't there one of these that has a 25th?
Yes, and now I can't remember which one for sure. It might be the candy, and it might be the perfume one has like a bonus day.
All right, dogs got their treats, and now it's time
After the human treat.
my treat. Or there's your treat for later.
I will get to it.
I got, yeah, this is a 24 also. Where's 16? There it is. That's another peppermint medallion, I guess.
All right.
That's what that looks like. All right.
We're on the repeats.
Not a favorite, but I ain't mad at it. Hi. Poppy is leaping.
Crackling fire.
Well, she was. Now she's not.
All right. That is the 16th. We're getting there. We're more than halfway through.
days are falling by.
And they're flying. So I'm like waiting for orders to get here. Oh my God. I hope if you're still shopping, I hope everything is going well and things are arriving and all the things. I will tell you that I was doing Amazon. I had the nieces and stuff bring me Amazon gift lists, and I started to, like, just for the heck of it, price match, and Amazon was like seriously high on some of the items. So definitely do your price match and searching and looking for other places to buy things. So I ended up buying a pair of shoes on Zappos instead of Amazon, and it saved $30.
Yeah, so you found the same items
The
for less
exact
other
same,
places. Yeah.
$30 difference. So that seemed like a lot. And same shipping, and Zappos had the Prime shipping too, so it made no sense. I think they're an Amazon company, so it's really weird. Anyway, hot tip there, I guess. Do your shopping, do your comparison shopping, and
Do your due diligence. Comparison shopping. Yes,
Yeah.
you put it right.
Yeah. Anyway, have a great night. We'll see you tomorrow.
Good night.
Counting down. So in this Christmas time